Right, it's just a quick video on cleaning up hinges that are covered in paint. And these ones you can see, well, they're pretty well caked and they don't open properly. You could just put a bit of WD-40 or something like that on, but you don't really want all these blobs paint on that on there. The easiest way I've found to clean them up, use a blowtorch, and literally all you need to do is carefully and you need to be careful with the paint as well. If it's old lead based paint, you want to do this in a well ventilated area and probably wear a mask. But all I'm doing is heating the paint up till it starts to bubble. And be careful because the metal will get hot obviously. Once it's like that, just take a scraper, scrape the paint off as much as you can on all the surfaces while it's still hot. Be careful not to pick the hinge up with your hands, that's why I'm using a pair of pliers. Scrape as much of it off as you can. If you need to go back and heat it up, give it another quick go. And then take a wire brush give them a good brushing. Bearing in mind the metal will stay hot for some time, so even if you think it's been a while, leave it a little bit longer to cool down. Once you've got most of the paint off, or as much of it off as you can get, you get another pair of pliers. Just give them a good move about so you can see the whole of the hinge. And just keep scrubbing it. Doesn't take long. And there you go. Good as new, more or less. There we have it. One's hinge cleaned up pretty much all the way. Still some little bits of paint in the where the screw holes go, but you can always just run a bit of a file or even the end of a drill through those. Hinge is a lot freer now, especially when you consider that one, which I have trouble doing with my hands. I'm not going to touch this one because it'll still be hot, but there we go. all done. Alright, I'll clean the other one up, and I'll have 2 hinges ready to go and save myself a couple of quid. There we go. Sweep that out of the way. We'll just leave them to cool down and they're ready to go. Alright, and that's how I clean up hinges when they're covered in paint. It's quick, easy. If you haven't got a blowtorch, you can use one of the heat guns that you can get. You could probably use a paint stripper as well, but this, like I said, is quick and easy, and these aren't very expensive, and they come in handy for other things as well. There you go. That's how to clean up hinges that are covered in paint. Alright, thanks for watching.